In this video, I will show you how to become a firefighter within Emergency Hamburg. So it is actually very easy, and the only thing you need to do is set your waypoint at the fire station and then drive towards the fire station, of course. So you can turn left to right here, as you can see. And then what you need to do is you need to enter this door over here. So you see this big fire station, as you can see, fire department with this fire truck over here. But what you actually need to do is to enter this building over here, and here you see this fire department shift, as you can see, and here you can press E to basically open the screen and select a department. So you can either become a medic, as you see, the rescue servers, or an emergency doctor, and you can also select those two, so the fire commander or the fire department, and those are basically different departments, and this is the general firefighter. And then you can tap on that, and as you can see some information, for example the payment multiplier, etc, etc. And then you can tap on start shift. As you can see, now I am a firefighter. Now what I can do is I can go to the lockers over here to basically equip some things like fire hose, sandbag, etc, etc. I can equip all of this. Then I can go to the vehicles over here. So this is basically the vehicle dealership, where I can spawn different cars, just like this, as you can see. Also those, as you can see, unlock vehicle, spawn vehicle, and then I can enter this vehicle, and I will see all of my messages right here. So you know, when a fire broke out, for example, I can see this right here. I can also make notify other firefighters in this case, for example request backup or give position, something like that. And we can drive this. Okay, we can turn on our siren by pressing F and then press R or T, just like this, and that is how you can turn on the siren. Let's drive right now a bit. As you can see, that is it. So that is how you can become a firefighter within Emergency Hamburg. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please subscribe to the channel.